Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and I just made a video on this using the can't even remember the name of it. Add perspective. You've got to have your item clicked for it to show up, but that's only available in 2018 and above. So I thought I'd show people how to do it if you do not have it. If you have an older version of Corel, you can use the envelope tool. And what I would do is I would delete these center nodes and select all your nodes and right click and turn them into a line and then unclick. So you can kind of do the same thing like that. Then go to, just like the previous video, go to the extrude tool, click on your item and extrude this font, go up to arrange, break extrude apart, grab your extrude and make it a lighter color and give it a hairline, and then double click on your line and make it thicker than a hairline and hit scale with object in case you make it bigger, and that would engrave kind of the same as that. The add perspective tool is pretty cool, but there's another way around it. And anyway, and if you didn't watch the first video on how to laser that, I would watch this video, because I do a lot of things in two parts and get a little bit different look. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.